Hello, children. I hope you all are safe and secure at your home. Let us start our day with today's thought. No one is perfect. That's why pencils have erasers. It means often we expect perfection in everything, but nobody is perfect. That's why pencils have erasers to remove the mistakes. So, accept that there is nothing called perfect. It is okay to enjoy being yourself. So, this is our today's thought. Children, we have finished our unit 1. From this poem, we will start unit 2. So, the first topic is 2.1 Chameleons. This is a poem, and in the last period, we have seen the introduction of chameleons. I hope you have understood what are chameleons. Yes. So, today we will see the poem Chameleons. First, we will recite the poem. Unit 2, 2.1 Chameleons. Listen and repeat. Chameleons are seldom seen. They are red, they are orange, then they are green. They are one of nature's strangest sights. Their colors change like traffic lights. And it is written by Colin West. So, this is our poem. Now, let's see the explanation or the meaning of the poem. We will see the first paragraph. Chameleons are seldom seen. So, now what the poet Colin West says? He says chameleons are seldom seen. Seldom means very hard to see or rarely seen. Children, you can find lizards in every corner of your house, but chameleons are not seen easily. If we want to see chameleons, we have to go into nature or we have to look into surrounding. So the poet says chameleons are very hardly seen. Now what he is saying? They are red, they are orange, then they are green. Means you will find chameleons in red color. Can you see in the picture? A red chameleon? They are orange and then they are green. So chameleons change their color. In the introduction I have told you why chameleons change their color. So they change their color to protect themselves or to hide themselves from the predators. Predator means the animal who attacks other animals for food. So chameleons change their color to protect themselves from the predators. Children, I hope this much is clear to you. We will see the first paragraph once again. So, chameleons are seldom seen. They are red, they are orange, then they are green. Means they are very hard to see chameleons. It is very hard to see chameleons, and if you want to see the chameleons, you have to go into the nature and they are of different colors. Now we will see the next paragraph. They are one of nature's strangest sights. Their colors change like traffic lights. So, what the poet wants to say? They are one of nature's strangest sights. Strangest means unusual sights or sights which are not seen oftenly. You cannot see it on the daily basis, which is rare to see. Children, can you give another example of any animal who is like chameleon who changes its color? I think no. Chameleon is of its chameleon is one of its kind. There is no another animal like them. So the poet says its color change like traffic lights. So how it is changing its color? It changes its color like traffic light. Can you see how many colors are there in traffic lights? There are 3 colors: red, green and yellow. So chameleons change its color according to the like traffic lights. Again, I have told you that why he is changing his colors. He is changing its colors to protect themselves or to hide themselves from the predators. So he changed the color to match the background surrounding. So the poet says it color changed like the traffic light. Okay children, I hope you have understood the poem and enjoyed the poem. Yes? Now we will see the new words of the poem. Look and say. The first word is chameleon. CHAMELEONS, chameleons. SELDOM, seldom. STRANGEST, strangest. SIGHTS, sights. B number, say the rhyming words. So the first rhyming word is seen, green. Sights and lights. These are the rhyming words. Now it's your homework time, children. You will find this picture in your textbook. So this is an activity, you have to color the picture. So you can color the chameleon according to your choice, or you can mix the colors to make a colorful chameleon. Now another homework. Write the poem 2.1 chameleon in your English copy number 1. Children, you have to write down the poem in your English copy. Write it in a neat and clean handwriting and complete your work. So, we will see the question answers in the next period. Till then, thank you and bye-bye.